Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to type bold text in Facebook post easily. Let's see post some things in Facebook. See bold text not showing. Go to your browser, search bold text generator for Facebook. Paste your text here. See bold text showing right side. Now copy your desired text and paste it your Facebook. See bold text showing here. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.